All right, guys, this is box number 3 coming up here for Tom. Triple Threads Baseball. Good luck, man. Give this man at least one patch. It looks super fat, but there's just like a ton of air in there. Alright, well there is a patch in this one. David Wright to 50. Lou Gehrig to 340. Wade Boggs, Honus Wagner, and Jason Hayward. That's a nice looking piece right there. 3 of 10. Michael Conforto. 3-color patch autograph. And Chris Bryant. Not bad either. 31 of 36. 490-foot home run. 95-foot home run. He's strong. And another patch. Ice, Bryce Harper to 99. And Chris Bryant to 250. Kershaw, Robbie Cano, Anthony Rizzo. Rusney Castillo, number to 9. 3-color patch. And that's a nice hit right there, too, to 99. On card, triple jersey autograph, Carlos Correa. We definitely heated up in the last couple boxes. Definitely a nice box right there. All right, buddy, that does it for round number 3. Appreciate it as always.